Hello, and welcome back to another unboxing. So today we are doing the calmbox. Now, I've been seeing the calmbox a lot on Facebook and Instagram. So I thought, maybe someone was curious about what's in it. Because I was. So it's supposed to be kind of like another meditation box. I did something similar earlier in one of my other videos. And I have to say, so far, I like what I've seen in it. So first thing I pick out is these Yum Earth organic seed drops. And these look like they probably will be kind of good, hopefully. Another thing is this mini balms. They're scented, and it even comes with directions. It says apply liberally to wrists, temples, and neck, and inhale deeply while mindfully embracing powerful thoughts. So basically, this is meant for like an actual whole session when you're meditating. Now, I actually have a drink which I was not expecting at all. It is called hop tea, which I guess is supposed to sound like hope tea. And it says it's chamomile flavored. Hopefully this is good. Another thing I got was mints. Calm and clarity mints. Now, I guess they thought mints were the next best thing to calm mind, because if you have a stinky breath, you feel an itch all day. And of course, last but not least, a face mask, which I think is a given in any type of relaxation box, serenity, whatever. Because realistically, we all want to look good and relax at the same time. And what's better to do that than a face mask? Or anything that's, just like a self-pampering type thing. So, if you've liked this box, please give it a like and thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you've liked the calm box, what comes in it for this month, it changes every month. Please, check out the website. I'll link it down below. Have a great day. Please stay safe. Please wear a mask, because COVID is still a thing. And I'll see you in my next video.